Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about Unit 11, Unit 12 and Unit 3 important naming reactions and importance reactions and questions. So very important videos. First important one of the very important question, Lucas test. Lucas test. What is the Lucas reagent? First one, what is the Lucas reagent? Is concentration HCl and unguided zinc chloride. Concentration HCl and unguided zinc chloride mixed the solution is called Lucas reagent. The Lucas reagent or Lucas reagent reacts with alcohol to form alkyl halides. First one, test for tertiary alcohol. Tertiary means 3 methyl groups present in carbon. Tertiary alcohol means 3 methyl group present in single carbon. Tertiary alcohol reacts with hydrochloric acid and zinc chloride. This mixture is called Lucas reagent. Tertiary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent to form alkyl halides. Converted into OH and the H is go to H2O. Cl go to this place. Listen. Listen, the OH and the H go to H2O. The Cl go to this place. Therefore, alkyl to form of alkyl halide. Second one, test for secondary alcohol. This is the first one. The test for tertiary alcohol reacts immediate appearance of turbidity. Test for secondary alcohol is same process. Water is reduced. The chlorine is added this place to form alkyl halide. Slow appearance of turbidity. Third one, same process but no reaction at room temperature. Turbidity appears only on heating. This process is not react with room temperature, but this reaction react with only heating process. Next important question, Meyer test. Next one, Meyer test. Already I teaching this question. And next one, Saitsev rules. Next one, Saitsev rules. During intermolecular hydration, if there is a possibility to form a carbon-carbon double bond, at different locations, the preferred location is one of that gives the more highly substituted. This stable alkene. Listen, this process is very important one. Saitsev rule. This is tertiary alcohol because 3 methyl group present in single carbon. To this reaction is called this alcohol is called tertiary alcohol. Listen, tertiary alcohol reacts with H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid to form the OH to one lone pair of electrons. The hydrogen attack to this place. Therefore, to form carbocation. The carbocation symbol of water molecule. The hydrogen attack to the base to form carbocation. The carbon water molecule is removed to form this method. The secondary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation. The first 2 steps. First one, the hydrogen is shifted to this place to form CH3, CH2. The hydrogen is eliminated. This process, the beta elimination reaction. Another one, methyl shift. Methyl shift means this methyl reacts this place or this methyl in this place to form one reaction and another one reactions. And Swan oxidation. Next one, Swan oxidation. The propanol reacts with dimethyl sulfoxide. The DMSO means dimethyl sulfoxide and the dioxy allyl chloride, dioxyl chloride, oxide chloride, propanol reacts with DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide, and oxyl chloride to form aldehydes or ketone. This is aldehyde. This is aldehyde. Removal of water. More simple way, the removal of water is called, and the removal of hydrogen is called, removal of H2 is called another. These ketones remains DMSO4 and CO2 and CO and 2HCl. Next one, Dow's process. Same process. Na plus and NaO plus and NaO minus and H plus. Cl go to HCl and NaO is attacked this place to the form ONA, and extra is added HCl to NaCl is removed and H is added, therefore phenol is formed. And saponification reactions, the simple one, saponification reaction. The crystal esters, the crystal polymetate reacts with 3 moles of sodium hydroxide to form glycerol. Cut this space, OH go to this space, CH2OH and CH2OH and CH2OH. This reaction is saponification reactions. Saponification reaction or preparation of glycerol. The reaction name is first one saponification reaction, another one preparation of glycerol. And Scott and Bowman reaction. Next one, Scott and Bowman reaction. Phenol reacts with acid chloride to give esters. Same C6H5OH and CH3COCl to go to HCl. The hydrogen and the Cl go place. Removal of HCl, C6H5O and connection OCCH3. And Williamson ether synthesis. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide and alkyl halide to form phenyl ethers. H2O is removed, NaO is added, and ONA remains CH3I. The NaI is removed, OCH3 is added. This is esters, phenyl esters. The phenyl esters name is anisole. And Goache come to reactions. Phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide. The sodium phenoxide reacts with carbon dioxide, heating 400 Kelvin and 4 to 7 bar to form sodium salicylate. The sodium salicylate reacts with water to get proton to form salicylic acid. Next one, Riemann reaction. Phenol reacts with CHCl3 and aqueous NaOH to form the intermediate step. Again reacts with NaOH to form ONA plus and CHO, and reacts with H2O and to form OH and CHO. This is salicylaldehyde. Next one, Thalin reaction. Phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride to reacts in the presence of concentration sulfuric acid and heating. On heating phenol with phthalic anhydride. In the presence of concentration sulfuric acid, phenolphthalein is formed, is obtained. Not phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein is obtained. Next one, coupling reaction. Phenols reacts with benzene diazonium chloride. In an alkali solution of NaOH is added to form para-hydroxyazorbenzene. This is red orange dye. Next one, Rosamond reduction. The Rosamond reduction is called the aldehyde can be bred by the hydrogens of acid chloride. This is acetyl chloride reacts with hydrogen, palladium and PD and PaSO is a reagent, not reagent. PD is a catalyst. Barium sulfate acts as catalytic poison because this acetaldehyde to form to form alcohol. Therefore, not react or not form alcohol because PSO is act as catalytic poison. Next one, third reaction. Methylbenzene or toluene. This reaction is called toluene. When chromate chloride, CrO2 Cl2 is a chromate chloride. When chromate chloride is used as an agent to toluene or methylbenzene gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is called a third reaction. This is acid anhydride and CrO3 can also be used in this reaction. Gattermann Goache reaction. When benzene is derivative is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and copper chloride CuCl2. It gives benzaldehyde. This method, reaction of carbon monoxide and HCl generate an intermediate which reacts with formyl chloride. Next one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation means aromatic compound. Methyl chloride reacts with benzene to form acetophenone. Next one, urotropin reaction. Formaldehyde reacts with ammonia to form hexamethylene tetraamine, which is also known as urotropin. Hexamethylene tetraamine, this which is also known as urotropin. This is urotropin structure. Hexamethylene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexamethylene tetraamine 1, 2, 3, 4 nitrogen. Therefore, hexamethylene tetraamine. Next one, Popov-Soule. The oxidation of unsymmetrical ketones is governed by Popov-Soule. It says that during the oxidation of unsymmetrical ketones, C2CO bonds is cleaved in such a way that a keto group stays the smaller alkyl groups. Therefore, to form carboxylic acid, 2 carboxylic acid, first one propanoic acid and another one acetic acid, because this is unsymmetrical ketones. Next one, Clemmensen reduction. Acetaldehyde, aldehyde and ketone. Acetaldehyde means aldehyde groups. Aldehyde or ketones when heated with zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam, Zn and Hg is called zinc amalgam, and concentration sulfuric acid gives hydrocarbons, ethane, alkane groups. And Wolff-Kufner reduction. Aldehyde or ketones are means carbonyl compounds reacts with hydrazine. NH2 is called hydrazine and sodium ethoxide to form same hydrocarbons. Next one, hollow form reactions. Acetaldehyde and methyl ketone. Acetaldehyde means acetone. The acetone, this is ketone product. This is ketone. The ketone reacts with containing C double bond O groups when treated with halogen and alkali. Halogen means 3Cl2 and alkali gives the corresponding haloform. This is known as holoformation. Acetone reacts with halogens and NaOH solution to form H3 go to CCl3 form is formed, remaining CHCl3 and CH3COO any form. This to form chloroform and sodium acetate. Next one, aldol condensation reaction. Acetaldehyde reacts with acetaldehyde. This is this is 2-acetaldehyde reaction with dialed NaOH to form acetaldol. Crashed aldol condensation. Formaldehyde reacts with acetaldehyde in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form one side alcohol groups, another side aldehyde group. Therefore, 3-hydroxypropanol. Next one, Claisen-Schmidt condensation. Benzaldehyde reacts with acetaldehyde in the presence of NaOH, removal of water to form cinnamaldehydes. Next one, Cannizzaro reaction. In the presence of concentrated aqueous or alcoholic alkali anhydrous which do not have all four hydrogen, it's important about all four hydrogen atom undergoes self-oxidation. Aldehyde groups is oxidate to form carboxylic acid. Therefore, C6H5, C6H5, this is C6H5, CH2 is oxide, carboxylic acid, and reduction benzyl alcohol C6H5 CH2OH, and next one C6H5 C double bond O Ne. Next one Toller's reagent, next one crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Benzaldehyde and formaldehyde reaction in the presence of NaOH to form benzyl alcohol. Another one sodium formate. Same process. Next one Perkin reactions. Benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride reacts with in the presence of sodium acetate. Removal of water to form this process and ester added to water molecule to form cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Toller's reagent and Fehling solution test. Toller's reagent is an ammonical silver nitrate solution. This is ammonical silver nitrate solution or silver mirror. When an aldehyde is formed with Toller's reagent, a bright silver mirror is produced. Due to the formation of silver metal, Ag is a silver metal, the reaction is called silver mirror test for aldehydes. Next one, Fehling solution test. Fehling solution is prepared by mixing equal volumes of Fehling solution A, aqueous copper sulfate, and Fehling solution B containing alkaline solution of sodium potassium tetrate. This is Goache's salt. When aldehyde is formed with Fehling solution, deep blue color solution is changed to red precipitate of cuprous oxide. Next one, esterification. When carboxylic acid are heated with alcohols. When carboxylic acid heated with alcohols in the presence of concentration sulfuric acid and dry HCl gas, esters are formed. The reaction is reversible and is called esterification. The Degauboxylation reactions. Sodium acetate reacts with sodium hydroxide and in the presence of calcium oxide in heating to form hydrocarbons. And cold electrolytic decarboxylation. Sodium acetate in the electrolysis process to form hydrocarbons and carbon dioxide in the presence of anode side and sodium in the presence of cathode side. Hell-Orhard or HBEZ reactions. Acetic acid reacts with halogens in the presence of dead phosphorus and water molecule to form monochloroacetic acids. Then esterification. Next one, trans-esterification. Ethyl acetate in the reaction of propyl alcohol to form propyl acid because less than C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol. Next, Claisen condensation. Ethyl acetate and two ethyl acetate molecules in the presence of sodium acetate in the removal of ethyl alcohol to form ethyl acetoacetate and NEF reactions. The conversion of nitrocarbons into carbon is known as NEF reaction. This is nitrocarbons. NO is a nitro compound into to form carbonyls. Nitrocarbons react with potassium hydroxide to form nitrocarbanions, and in the presence of water molecule to form CH2CHO. This is CH2CHO. This is formaldehyde. Next, Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. Thalamide reaction reacts with potassium thalamide to form. This is reaction is SNO2 SN2 reaction method. So Gattermann synthesis is used for the preparation of aliponic primary amines, thallamine on treatment with ethanolic Goache phos potassium salt of thallamine, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydroxide gives primary amines. Dear students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Today's homework: Gattermann Goache reactions, Degauboxylation reaction, urotropin, preparation of urotropin and structure of urotropins, Pops rules, Pops rules, and Clemmensen reaction, and Wolff-Kissner reduction, and haloform reaction, and aldol condensation reaction, and Grast aldol condensation reactions. These 9 questions for you, so you have think and answer and study and write 3 times in your home test note and send in my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you students, God bless you all.